Smoky chimichurri steak and eggs is what we are bringing you today, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in there. Now, here we go. What do we have? We have oregano, we have parsley, we have some coriander, cilantro that is, we have some lime, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, and some Thai chili. Here we go. All this is gonna blend together with this beautiful smoke that we're gonna go ahead and light up in just a second. Here we go. Let's pop this in. It is a tea infuser, guys, but I'm not having tea today, so I'm gonna go ahead and smoke this chimichurri out. Here we go. Let's go ahead and let that get filled in, and then we're gonna go ahead and cover it up. You can see we have some steaks right here that are just about ready to be placed on this hot skillet. First, we're gonna go ahead and cover this up with some salt, just like that. We're using some nice sea salt right here, nice and thick, nice and coarse, beautiful steaks. And we're gonna cover this up, get that flame off, and let the smoke settle in. It's gonna be hovering above these flavors, and it's gonna be a smoky situation, guys. Here we go. Check this out. Our skillet is nice and ready. So, as you can hear that sizzle, we're gonna go ahead and let that sear on both sides. Flip it over. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful color, nice crust. Wow. All right, here we go. Let's leave that on there another 5 to 7 minutes, guys. And in the meantime, we're gonna shake it up. Just like that. Let that smoke blend in with all the flavors. Get it in that oil. And here's the kicker. We're gonna roll up these tortillas, nice large flour tortillas. You can use any kind and any size you want. We're gonna go ahead and slice them up julienne style. Here we go. Fluff them up and dump them into our eggs. Why? Guys, this is gonna give us the best of both worlds. Nice soft tortillas and a crisp as well on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and put them in here. I already had some salt in our eggs. Just salt is fine. You can add some pepper if you want or any other seasonings. All right, these are ready to rest. So we're gonna place them right on this rack, and we're not gonna waste this delicious fatty flavor. Here we go. We got some oil coming in here. Mix it up just a bit, and we come in with our tortilla strips. Oh, look at this. We're gonna make a nice little nest to drop in some eggs. So let's go ahead and put this in the hot oil, let it fry slowly. It's not a high temperature, guys. I don't want my tortillas burned on the bottom, but I do want them nice and crispy. So go ahead and cover it with some hot oil on top and make some space for the rest. All right, guys, here we go. This is gonna be the best brunch ever. You can have it at any time, but I think it's a pretty good one for brunch. You got your eggs, you got your steak, you got this nice tortilla that's gonna be crispy and with some soft parts as well. Delicious crispy bacon right there. We're gonna go ahead and put some salt also. We're gonna come through with some cheddar. Use any cheese you want. Cheddar goes great with this. And of course, we have a little cilantro on there. Juice chives or parsley or whatever you desire. I'm gonna go and place these on here. Let that drip, drip, drip. No excess oil, but check this oil out right here. Check out this chimichurri. Oh boy, I can already smell it. Here we go. Look at that beautiful color, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the steak. Let's go ahead and grab that. Nice, nice, nice. A little salt, of course. And then we're gonna come in with, of course, this is the chimichurri sauce, smoky whiskey chimichurri. Look at that. Let's go in for the bite. And I do hope I have a bit of a runny egg on the inside. That's what I'm going for. And let's check it out. Do we have it? Oh, we